Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to speed up audio without changing the pitch in CapCut application. Alright guys, first thing first, I'm going to add audio to my CapCut project. I'm gonna add audio from my device. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on this plus button, and now the audio has been added to my CapCut project, and this is the original audio. Okay, and if we want to speed up this audio, we can click on the audio, and we have to click on the speed option. And for instance, I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and as you can see that the page doesn't change. So if you don't want to change the page, basically you don't have to do anything. The page will not change unless you click on the skip page option right here, and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay, this is after I click on the keep page option. If you don't want to change the page, you don't have to click on this option like this. And I guess that's how we can speed up audio without changing the page in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.